Okay, now when you have a dream, everyone is quick to tell you what you can't do and what you can't achieve. But what they can't see is really how much you believe. We all have something that we want, and where we go wrong is when we have the chance but we never take it. And we're so afraid of failure that we let it take over. But look at me, I went from operating machines to finally following my dreams. And I'm just hoping that I succeed, cause I don't know where to go if it doesn't work out. I'm just hoping I don't make my way up a dead end route. I put all I had into one basket, and I'm just hoping and praying that I can make it happen. Is it true what they said, I'll never be able to rap? And maybe I grew up on the wrong side of the map, but I'm gonna prove them all fucking wrong. So I'm putting everything I have into this song.
I'm not sleeping on my dreams. It's not easy as it seems, but I'm here to say that I'm here to stay. I'm not doing what I'm told. I'm not trying to fit the mold, but I'll let you know that I told you so.
Yeah, I'm not just writing these songs to fucking pass the time, and you can take it as a sign I'm gonna get mine. So take a step back and let me do my thing. I'm grabbing onto my dreams and going for a ride. No matter where it takes me, it can be high or low. At least I had the chance to do what I want, and if I don't end up where I wanted to be, you better believe that I enjoyed the fucking ride. Cause I'ma stay on the route to my destination. I just gotta learn to have a little bit of patience. But they say good things come to those who wait, and I'm over here just asking how long will it take. And I just wanna say thank you to everyone who helped me out. I just wanna plant the seed to make it sprout. Didn't come this far to let it all go south. I know everything will work out,
I'm not sleeping on my dreams. It's not easy as it seems, but I'm here to say that I'm here to stay. I'm not doing what I'm told. I'm not trying to fit the mold, but I'll let you know that I told you so. I'm not sleeping on my dreams. It's not easy as it seems, but I'm here to say that I'm here to stay. I'm not doing what I'm told. I'm not trying to fit the mold, but I'll let you know that I told you so.
And if I had one message to you, it would be stay true to whatever you wanted to do. Don't let anybody take your dreams away from you. Keep on hustling, keep on grinding, and you'll make it through. Most people don't want to see you succeed, but as long as you believe, that's all that you really need. And you never know what tomorrow will bring, and it's probably better off that way, so go ahead and fucking
I'm
sing.
not sleeping on my dreams. It's not easy as it seems, but I'm here to say